Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledgepedia channel. So in our this video of Excel, we are going to find the scenario based which were mostly asked in interviews, like how to separate the first name and the last name, and that's using the Excel formulas. So for that we are going to look into that. For that I have used a table, a small table, that is the full name and the first name and the last name, which we are going to fetch and fill this table. And full name is Rahul, Manoj, Pankaj, Vaibhav Shukla. So these are the first column with the full name, and the functions which we are going, or the combinations of string functions which we are going to use for this, is the left and the right, find, and this length. These are the formulas which we are going to use to find out our first name and the last name. And these are the formulas. For right now you can ignore them, but we going to look into these formulas only in detailed manner. So let's start with our first table, that is the first row, Rahul Tewatia. If you want to say we want to get his first name and the last name, so first name should come as Rahul and the last name should come as Tewatia. So to fetch the first name, that is the Rahul, we can say somewhat we can use the left string function, because we wanting that word Rahul from the left side. So common sense, so we can go for the left. We can use right also, but it's better to go for the left, as it will be easy and easy to implement and get the output. So let's start with our first name. Here we will going to provide our left function, and in our left function we are going to see what it is asking is the text and the number of characters. So the text is nothing but the Rahul Tewatia whole text. In this only we want to fetch the first name. Now the number of characters, up to how much character we want to find the Rahul Tewatia. So the one thing we can see here is that in all these names, full names, that is Rahul Tewatia, Manoj Kumar, Pankaj, and Vaibhav, there is one space which we're going to take advantage of that space and going to achieve our output using that space as a criteria in our formulas. So how we are going to write it? We are going to say in Rahul Tewatia, and again number of character, how much we are going to fetch, that depends upon, we are going to use one more function for that, that is find function. Find is nothing, that is just find the index position of what character we are going to find out. It just provide the index of that. So in this, find the text, within text and the start number. So what we are going to find out, we want to find the position of space within the text, means in this Rahul Tewatia itself, and we are going to close it. So this part, this whole find, and this is going to give me the position of space in this full name Rahul Tewatia. So if once we get the position of space, we can say that -1 will give the position up to how much in our, we can say the left one is the text and number of characters. So this whole everything find up to -1 give the number of character, how much we are going to take as a first name. So in this we are going to close the parenthesis and apply hit button. Now we can see the Rahul is the first name which the function fetches for us. Let's increase the size so you can see it clearly. Not for this cell, guys, we want to do the same thing for format printer, this. Okay, so you can see the first name is the Rahul. Now the formula we can see, now you can get it like the left formula we are using, this is the text, and this is the position up to which we want to find, that is the number of characters. To find the number of characters, here we are taking the help of space -1. Space -1 will give the first name, full first name, and this find, this portion is giving us the index of space, and -1 just to get the exact first name. So this was the case for our first name. Now we will go for the last name. In our last name we are going to easy, as I said earlier also, to fetch the last name we are going to use the right function. Right function, as if it will be easy to implement to fetch the last name. In last name the same parameter, text and the number of characters. So here our logic little bit changes, like how to find it out. Again here also we are going to take the help of space as a position, and based on that position we are going to fetch the last name. Here we are going to see the text. We are again going to provide the text as the Rahul Totia, that is G4 in cell. Number of characters would be like how many characters we are going to fetch from the right side. So how to say that in Tevatia we can say that from the right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 words. Tevatia is total of 7 characters we need to find out. But how to get that 7? Because in Tevatia 7 characters are there. In Kumar, the next row we have 5 columns, 5 characters, sorry. In this way we can see the numbers of characters are very variable, it's not constant. So using the help of formula we're going to fetch that variable characters and put here in our right formula to fetch that last name. Okay, so in last name we are going to number of characters. There's one formula we use in combination with right, that is the length function. That length function nothing but gives the number of character in a string provided. A simple work is just to find out the number of characters in a given string. So suppose in Rahul Tevatia we have total numbers of, we have given G4. See, here we will close the parenthesis. So this position is nothing but gives the number of characters in Rahul Tevatia. In this number of characters, if we are going to find minus, sorry, we're going to do the minus, what? The space count. Again, we're going to find the space and we will minus from this length position. Again, we are going to use then find. In this find, we are again going to find the position of space and then from where? From Rahul Tevatia itself, and then this close and then the final parenthesis close. This should give us the result of Tevatia. So this, for just one more level down we need to see how this we are fetching this formula, like you can say here equal to, just for more clarification, if you give the length, here you can see the provided Tevatia as the name. Okay, then close the parenthesis minus. Again we want to give the find, through help of find we are going to find the position of space provided in this full name. So how to find the position of space? We are going to use a find formula. Find here you can say the what we not to find, what we want to find, that is a space. Again within which text, this text, and close the parenthesis, hit enter. You can say 7. So this 7 is nothing but the number of characters in Tevatia. So that 7 is what is coming, this whole 7, this whole thing 7, nothing but is going to apply here in this Tevatia formula. This is the length to this. This is totally giving us the 7 characters only. So in this using right formula on full name Rahul Tevatia, and through this highlighted thing we are getting 7. That is the 7 is the number of characters in Tevatia. So this is the how we are going to fetch the variable numbers of character using these formulas. Again we are going to take one for the last name only. We are going to another example, that is Manoj Kumar. We apply the same formula in Manoj Kumar. Again we are going to like take it for right function. Again the right function is a right function. Again the text is the now Manoj Kumar. In this text what we are doing, number of characters. How to find number of characters? Again we go, first we need to take the length. What is the total length of the character? Total length of the character is the Manoj Kumar, is we will fetch from this, then minus the position of spaces. Here only one space, so we are going to find that position of space through the help of find function. In find function, find what? Find space, and then we are going to find the within which text, that is the Manoj Kumar, and then close it. So this, then this is the final close. So this again going to fetch the Kumar as the our last name. So similarly guys we can do for each and every one. Here if you I think drop it, it will give the through relative positioning formulas, it will fetch the next rows also. Same for the Rahul also. So this is the basic formulas which the concept used to fetch the first and the last name. And these are the common scenario based questions asked in an interview to find the first name and the last name. Hope you guys got little bit of your confusion cleared away with this. In our next video we will come with some another scenario based questions. Till then, enjoy and hit the like button, and if you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.